Burp Suite Community Edition. So what we are going to learn here in this video, we are going to learn here about Burp Suite and how you can scan a website using Burp Suite that we are going to cover in this video. So to learn about Burp Suite, first of all you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and because Burp Suite is already inside there, so we are going to use it. So open your Kali Linux. So guys, we are here at Kali Linux operating system, and let me show you where the Burp Suite available. So if you click on applications and if you select web application analysis, so at the first place you can see the Burp Suite. Click on that and open it. So you can see this is a free edition of Burp Suite. So what is the meaning of community edition? So let me show you in the browser what is the meaning of community edition. Open the browser and you can type in Google Burp Suite Community Edition and hit enter. If proxy server is giving you problems, then you can change your proxy settings. Let me click on use system proxy settings. Alright, okay, now it will work fine. Okay, so this is Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on that. This is provided by Portswigger company. This is a product of Portswigger, right? So you can see here that this is available for Linux, for Mac, for Windows, right? If you are using Windows operating system, because Windows doesn't have Burp Suite, so you need to download it from there, right? But we have Kali Linux operating system which already contains the Burp Suite, right? So you don't need to download from the website. It is already there, right? You can update it, right? But you don't need to download it. Okay, so what you need to do here, just you need to click on next and start the Burp. One of the most important tools in security is Burp Suite, right? If you don't know about Burp Suite, then you should learn about it properly, all right? Because in website pen testing, in scanning, companies uses Burp Suite. There is also a paid version of Burp Suite, right? So companies uses the paid version. If you are working individual, then you can use this free version, doesn't matter. So this is Burp Suite, right? So let me explain you that this is the target where you will get the target information. This is the proxy settings, right? If you click on options, then you can see it is working on this proxy 127.0.0.1 and 8080 is the port number, right? And the work of the Burp Suite is basically it can capture the request coming from the browser. You can manipulate the request and then you can basically forward it to the browser again. This is intercept. Intercept is on, then you can basically capture the request. If it is off, then you cannot. All right, let me give you an example. For example, let me open the website, a live website or a sample website, vulnerweb.com. This is a sample website, vulnerweb, I'm sorry. Okay, open the website, click on this, right? So this is the website, and click on sign up, and I want to capture a request, basically going from your browser to the web server, or I want to capture it in the middle. So I have a Burp Suite. I want to capture your request. I want to learn about the request, that how your request goes from your browser to the server, from the server to the browser. I want to learn it, right? To do that, you can click here, click on preferences and change your proxy settings to manual proxy settings. Type the IP address 127.0.0.1, type the port number 8080, click use this proxy server for all protocols, remove everything from here and click OK. All right, now as in Burp Suite, intercept is on, so you can type anything here. For example, Sunil is my name and Sunil. All right, username and the password. Click login. Obviously it will not run because proxy is running here. Minimize it. Go back to Burp Suite, which is here. So you can see here that it has actually captured the request generated by the website. So you can see here I have passed the username Sunil and the password Sunil. So I have captured this request here. Got it? So this is the work. And I can manipulate it. I can remove Sunil from here. You can see here, right? This is the HTTP history. You can also check here the request, base request, and this is the spider. Because spider is paused, you can also spider the website. Scanner is not available in the free version of Burp Suite, it is available in the paid version of Burp Suite only. Intruder, if you want to perform brute force attack, then you can use intruder. Repeater is also like, if I want to edit Sunil with 10 different names, so I can use repeater, it will repeat it again and again. So these are some decoders available that you can use. Main is basically interception. Interception is really important, right? And you can basically change the name, right? For because the right username and the password is test in the website. So let me show you how you can log in from here. So you can type test here, right? Password is also test. All right, and you can click on this forward button, so it will go to the browser, right? And I hope that it will log in automatically. So you can click on forward, it has been forwarded. Minimize it, open the browser, and here you can see that you have actually logged in the website automatically. All right, so that's how you can see logout button here. Click on logout. It will not run because proxy is running, right? So if you can click on preferences, if you can click on advanced settings, so you can basically change the proxy settings from here. Okay, so that's how you can actually receive the information. You can receive these kind of requests generated by the website. You can check it, you can basically change the parameters of the query, right? And here you can see in the target it is already available, and here you can see the spidering process. All the URLs available in the website is available here, right? This is also part of scanning process. Got it? You can right click here and you can perform any kind of activity here. So this is the complete package for web application. You can perform web application pen testing very properly from Burp Suite free edition inside Kali Linux operating system. So this is all about the Burp Suite. This is only the basics of Burp Suite. We will perform some practicals in the next sections as well. So in the next video we are going to learn that how ZAP or Z-Attack proxy works inside Kali Linux operating system. Thank you so much.